Blacksmith. Blacksmith. Can you just slip off a bit? Blacksmith. Can you just charge this is a new comment now? Oh, huge shot from Blacksmith. No, looks like the hammer is so remarkable. But Blacksmith can't just the Trump figures to perform. No, because they go the hammer of Blacksmith. Oh, you can swim in the wall by a lockjaw. A Blacksmith hammer weaponless. Just a wedge, it could be disappointed. Oh, huge shot from Lockjaw. Blacksmith can't even pop up as a tramp on his day. Blacksmith can't tell the board. There goes the plow of Blacksmith. Blacksmith prowless, but only they could use it by the wedge by Blacksmith. Blacksmith can't even stand up its truth. Blacksmith can't the spaghetti on the belly of Lockjaw. Blacksmith can't visit the proper bits of drinkable. Interesting. Oh, nice hit by Lockjaw. Blacksmith can't up the stupid, but another nice hit by Blacksmith. Blacksmith can't overstate. Oh, huge shot from Lockjaw. Blacksmith can't over the pop up the stand up. Blacksmith can't lose the bar because I'm doing the corner seconds. Oh, a new shot from Lockjaw. Lockjaw, team of the pressure eye. Lockjaw can't just sump at the Brambleborn. No, there's a smoke coming of Blacksmith. But Blacksmith are we smoking? Blacksmith having trouble. But can't get going on. There goes the time, 10 seconds. This will go to judges, move on against Rex. And that's what we do it, then just there. This is the part because the rim to this thing. Wanted to the final fight, and it's over. And this second, the judges, this is it.